Good day, mathematics students. I am Teacher Nerida, your number buddy. I am here to guide you in enhancing your knowledge and skills in grade 10 mathematics. Before we start the lesson, let me remind you, my dear students, to watch and listen attentively, write important details, and participate actively. Remember, the best way to learn mathematics is to do mathematics. For this lesson, you are expected to define an arithmetic sequence and illustrate an arithmetic sequence. Let us have a short review about the previous lesson. Let us watch this. A sequence is an arrangement of objects, numbers, or even figures which follows a certain pattern. Look at the given sequences. Can you see the specific pattern they follow? Let us try to give emphasis on the things you observe as we undertake the new lesson about arithmetic sequence. What is the pattern you observe in each sequence? Observe the given sequence. Can you give the next two terms of the given sequence? If your answers are 52 and 57, then you are correct. How did you get these terms? Notice that a constant number 5 is being added to the preceding term to get the next term. All the sequences illustrated are called arithmetic sequences. So what is an arithmetic sequence? An arithmetic sequence is a sequence in which term after the first is formed by adding a constant number to the preceding term. And that constant number is called common difference, denoted by D. To find the common difference, D, you can simply subtract the second term a sub 2 by the first term a sub 1, or the third term a sub 3 by the second term a sub 2, or in general, a term a sub n by its preceding term a sub n minus 1. So it is written as D equals a sub n minus a sub n minus 1. Let us have more examples of arithmetic sequence. Okay, we have here 3, 3.5, 4, 4.5, 5, and so on and so forth. And the common difference of this sequence is 0.5. And how did we obtain this? We subtracted the two consecutive terms, like 3.5 minus 3, or 4 minus 3.5, or 4.5 minus 4, and so on and so forth. Another example, negative 1, negative 4, negative 7, negative 10, and so on. Now, here, the order is descending. So, our common difference is negative 3. We subtracted negative 4 minus negative 1. It could also be negative 7 minus negative 4, and so on and so forth. Okay. Another example, 19, 28, 37, 46, and so on and so forth. Here, if we subtract the consecutive terms, 28 minus 19, the result is 9. Or subtracting 37 minus 28, the result is still 9. Therefore, our common difference is 9. From the discussion on arithmetic sequence earlier, let us solve each of the following problems. Number 1. Determine if the sequence is arithmetic or not. If it is, find the common difference and the next three terms of the sequence. Given, negative 5, 2, 9, 16, and so on and so forth. So what will be our solution to this problem? Let's find out if there's a common difference between consecutive terms of this sequence. So we have here 2 minus -5, that's equal to 7. 9 minus 2, it's also equal to 7. And 16 minus 9 is also equal to 7. Since there's a common difference between consecutive terms of the sequence, therefore, the sequence is arithmetic. And how to find the next three terms of this sequence? We are going to add the common difference, which is 7, to the preceding term. So 16 plus 7, that's equal to 23. 23 plus 7, that's equal to 30. And 30 plus 7, it's 37. The next three terms are 23, 30, and 37. Number 2. I was advised by my doctor to walk each day in the morning as my daily exercise. On my first day, I walked 35 meters. On the second and third day, I walked 55 meters and 75 meters respectively, and so on. What is the distance I walk on the 10th day if I continue the pattern in my daily walk? Okay, for this problem, notice that the numbers 35, 55, and 75 have a common difference, which is 20. So this is an arithmetic sequence. Now, if we are going to continue the pattern, that is 35, 55, 75, 95, 115, 135, 155, 175, 195, and 215. The 10th term here is 215. So therefore, the distance I walk on the 10th day is 215 meters.
It's activity time! Get your pen and paper and try to solve the following problems.
Find the common difference in the next three terms of each arithmetic sequence. Number 1, 25, 15, 5, and so on and so forth. Number 2, 7, 11, 15, and so on and so forth. Number 3, -6, 5, 16, and so on and so forth. Number 4, 23, 17, 11, and so on and so forth. Number 5, -90, -80, -70, and so on and so forth. So you are given 30 seconds to accomplish this activity. Good luck! Okay, so let's find out if you got the correct answers. For number 1, we have the common difference is -10, and the next three terms are -5, -15, and -25. Okay, so check your paper if you got the correct answers. For number 2, we have the common difference 4, and the next three terms are 19, 23, and 27. So, did you get the correct answers, class? Good job. For number 3, we have the common difference 11. Next three terms are 27, 38, and 49. And for number 4, we have the common difference -6. The next three terms are 5, -1, and -7. And the last but not the least, we have the common difference 10 for number 5. And the next three terms are -60, -50, and -40. So, did you get all the correct answers?
Great job! Again, what is an arithmetic sequence? And how do we get the next terms of an arithmetic sequence? And that concludes our lesson for today. Thank you for joining me in this episode. And always remember, the best way to learn mathematics is to do mathematics.